Now we can see here ventilation option for the buildings. So these are the top hung windows. You can see here how they are giving the ventilation in the building, and these are the lowest window. It's generally used in the for the washroom and bathroom areas. Some others opening also. This is the bottom hung window. It's the exterior area of building, and these are the parallel windows. The main purpose of parallel windows are to give the aesthetic to look aesthetically very nice, because at the outside you can see the building, and when it will the parallel window will open, then it not look odd. It's look like that facade some parallel to the facade. So the thing is, it's parallel to the building, that's why its name also a parallel window. Projecting system, traditional style of opening, top or side hung sashes, manual or powered operations. Means you can open windows by manual or by the automatic system. Vent remains balanced at any given opening angles. Means your sash or your vent will be remain at that position what you want, and at the given angle, means how much you want the opening, it will remain same. Low initial cost provides access for the firefighters. Projecting system. It is a four types of hinges. The first one is defender, and it's divided into two parts. First is defender egress and defender restrictor. Defender is for the light duty operation. Storm balance and Sterling and parallel window for the heavy duty applications. Defender. Defender is using for the residential and light commercial application. It's self-balancing, long and reliable working life, tested to 3000 operating cycles. Patent lip slider for the smooth operation, cam friction device for the friction adjustment. The 304 grade stainless steel for the corrosion resistance. There is a asymmetrical head, that means that you can open this friction hinge against that arrow, means you should open this friction hinge as like this, not as like this. So there is a one lubricant between this metal and the track metal, and that means it's prevent the friction between two metals, so it's giving the easy way to open the friction hinge. Defender egress. Allow the casement window to open to full 90 degree for emergency exit. Means by the defender egress you can open the window up to the 90 degree, and when some accident has happened in your building, so you can jump, or you can provide the whole solution through the 90 degree, that you can give the ladder and you get down from the exit, like that you can save yourself. Composite slider mechanism allow the cleaning access from the inside and inside the building. This material can slide throughout the track, so the this this mechanism, you can clean the window, you can clean full window, and you can clean this friction hinge also. Automatically reset to fire escape mode when window is closed. It can reset the automatic fire escape, and when you will close this window. Defender restrictor. Defender restrictor is specially designed for the child safety. There is one button. By pressing that button, you can open and close the friction the window. When you will press this, it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Built-in child resistance mechanism to limit initial opening. So it will there is some limitation to open this friction hinge. Built-in quick release lever allow window to be fully open for the cleaning and total ventilation. Due to lip slider, or you can open the friction hinge and clean very frequently. Restrictor automatically relocate on closing window. Restrictor can relocate the closing window automatically, that you can get the safety from that. Storm balance. Storm balance friction hinges for the heavy duty applications, and it's for the commercial applications. Storm balance are the self balancing. Self balancing means when you open the window, means if as an example you can take the top hung window. If you are provide the storm balance friction is there, so at which angle you want it should be stand, that the window will be stand there, means it cannot come back just because of self balancing. It can have the bearing capacity of the load, full window sash, it can bear the load and it will not come back, it will stand there. The material for this friction hinge is 304 grade stainless steel, capable of sustaining heavy wind load up to 100 kg. Means it can bear the load up to the 100 kg wind load. Capable of withstanding negative wind pressure. When the positive and negative, it can bear it. And 12-year guaranteed of Secure Style products. Sterling. Sterling is the self-balancing friction hinge, capable of achieving of leading international standard, including BS standard and American Architectural Manufacturing Associations and SISIR. This grade is also 304 grade stainless steel, capable of sustaining heavy wind load up to the 180 kg. Now we can see how it will work. Due to friction, when you will open the window, the top hung window, the friction hinge location will be like this. So warm air will be come out, and due to this portion the cold air will be inside. So the air, room temperature will be decreased when you will open the window. Smoke evacuation solutions. How it will work? When smoke is light in weight, so it will go up and through to bottom hung. Here we can see that bottom hung friction hinges. So it will go up, and the from this vent area it will go out, and from the lower side of the bottom, the cold air will be come. So like this we can remove the smoke. What is the required to specify the correct friction hinges? Means how we can specify the correct friction hinge. What we need from the client side, that is the CAD drawing of the window, door section and AutoCAD format. Means we need dimensions, and by the AutoCAD we can recognize what kind of elevation is there. It is top hung window or it is side hung window, and by the dimension we can specify the correct friction hinge. And the vent dimensions we need, glazing thickness we need, and vent weight. By the vent dimensions and glazing thickness we can find it out the vent weight, and after that we can specify the correct friction hinge according to the weight and the dimensions. How we can calculate the vent weight of the window? Weight of the glass, how we can identify? We need width and height and thickness of the glass, and 2.5 kg is the material factor that we need to multiply in it. Weight of vent profile, width and height, and multiply by the 2, means it is the parameter for the rectangular. We are considering our vents are the rectangular, and the 1.4 is the factor which we need to multiply for the aluminium doors and windows. The total what we need to do, we need to add one and second point. After that we can find out the total weight of the friction hinge. Parallel system, ultimate natural ventilation and smoke egress solution, competitive whole life cost, curtain wall retain its reflect quality, excellent convention properties, can be linked to a building management system. How parallel window will work? When the window will open, here we can see these are the friction hinges, this is the parallel window, and this is the chain motor and fixed or glazing panel. This is these are the ceiling, floor, and how it will come. When the cool air will come from this path and it will get warm, and it will go up and it will go outside through this path. So here is the inserting area of gas and gas or air, or here is the exit area of gas and air, because the warm gas will go up through the temperature of the room and it will go out. Parallel system. For project out vent, powered or manual control, carry vent 3000 mm maximum and width 3000 mm max, height 22 kg maximum weight, maximum outward projection of 250 mm, provide high corrosion resistance. Now we can see the parallel window in practical basis. This is the parallel window glass area, and these are the friction